How to get the TradeLocker application on your smartphone easily and from the genuine way. So first of all, make sure that you open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search bar and type in TradeLocker. From the search results, look for the app that says TradeLocker from TradeLocker Limited and tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app. Authenticate when prompted with your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if you're using iOS, and the application will be downloaded in a few seconds. Once it's done, click on Open to launch open the app. Allow notification permissions if you'd like to do so by tapping Allow in the pop-up. If you don't want to allow notification right now, click on Don't Allow and you'll come across this welcome screen. Click the Login button from the bottom of the screen and then go ahead and sign in by clicking the Continue button. Choose anyone's sign-in method on the next page and allow unnecessary access. And now from here, you can go ahead and enter an email, password, and choose your server and click Login. So there you have it. That is how you can easily download and install the TradeLocker application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.